Welcome back. Apple is perhaps one of the few brands that need no introduction. It is the most profitable smartphone developing company that came up with various inventions. Now, Apple is working on short and long distance wireless chargers that can power multiple devices simultaneously. Excited to know? Then watch till the end. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe for more tech updates. Let's begin. Apple is reportedly working on a charger that can power multiple devices, an iPhone, AirPods, and a watch simultaneously. It is looking for both short and long distance wireless charging, which is quite a bit more advanced than its current induction charging based offerings. Imagine an iPad charging an iPhone, and then that iPhone charging AirPods, or an Apple Watch. Interesting, right? Apple first announced the AirPower in September 2017, along with the iPhone 8 and iPhone 10. They said the charging product would launch sometime in 2018, but the company canceled the project in March 2019. The Cupertino-based tech giant is imagining a future where all of Apple's major devices can charge each other. Was this video useful? If yes, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.